Hi guys, today I'm doing a product review on the A-Zone outdoor security camera. This here records in 1080p. It has night vision. Let me read some of the box here. HD two-way audio, so from your smartphone or tablet, when you put the app in, you can answer the person at your door and talk to them through your device. It has storage in the cloud. It has encryption on it to protect your data. A day-night switch, motion detection, so it'll turn on when people come around and turn off when there's no activity, and it's waterproof. Now this was sent to me by the good people at A-Zone to do a review on. You can buy this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description bar where you can get it, and there's a 10% discount on it. That'll be starting soon. And I believe this sells for $100, $99, so you're talking 10 bucks off it, so that's a good chunk of change. First off, you get your instructions and you get your mounting hardware. And here's your power cord. Here's a quick user guide. Then you get this tool. What this does is this is to adjust your tilt and stuff on the camera. There's special screws on there. And then here's the camera. Now guys, this is heavy. This is really high quality. This is like a metal surrounding on it. And like I said, you take the tool, you loosen this up, and it adjusts the arm up and down. Here's the lens on the camera, and I suppose that little holds the microphone. I'm going to go out and mount this at my front door, and once we get it all hooked up and I get the app in my phone, I'll bring you guys back and we'll try it out. Alright guys, I got this all hooked up. Now one mistake I made is you need to link it to your Wi-Fi before you install it, so you physically have to hold it next to your router. I had it all installed and it would connect to the wireless Wi-Fi. And I read the directions, which I should have done in the beginning, noticing that I have to link it to the Wi-Fi before I install it. So now I have this all hooked up, guys. Let's go in and look through the app and see how it works. Alright guys, now the app that comes with this, in the box, comes two scannable codes, one for Apple or one for Android. Now I scanned it with my tablet and I scanned it with my smartphones. I have it on both. And you can save your information to the cloud. You have to pay for that, but it's a small price. It's like $6 a month. Or if you do it by the year, it's a little cheaper. Or you can save it to your device. I haven't subscribed to the cloud. I've just been saving it to my devices. Now let's go ahead and... now this a shot from earlier. Let me click on this to deactivate the camera. You can see it's loading. Alright, now the camera's on. Now down here it says record length. You tell us how often or how long you want your videos to be, and here the record length and the video length, and it's here. This is the minutes and this is the seconds. Now you can set this anywhere from like a minute or less to 24 hours to record. It also has motion detection. You go into settings and turn that on. Every time someone goes by it, it'll record. It'll send you a notification that somebody went by. Now you can turn on the sound here. Now let me turn up my volume here quick, guys. And you can also make this to fit full screen, like that. And if you want to zoom, you just pinch and spread out or pull in. Now it also has, let me see if I can put that back on full screen without messing with it. Over here you have your record button, you have a microphone button. You push that in. You can talk to people outside and they can talk to you through a microphone and the camera. You see the car just went by. Then you have a camera, but you can take a quick shot. So let's say your car is outside and somebody's messing with it and you want to take a picture. You hit that and that'll take a picture, which it just did. Or you can record the video of them doing it or whatever. So guys, this isn't a bad little camera. It's $99.99, just under $100 at Amazon. I'll put a link to it down below in the description bar where you can buy it. And there's going to be a 10% discount on it starting soon here in a day or two. So there you have it, guys. The A-Zone outdoor security camera. Check it out. See if you like it. And until next time, I'll see you.